Alright guys, so while pairing AirPods for ANC with iPhone for the first time, some users are having different types of not connecting issues, like the connection pop-up is not coming, it's stuck on connecting, they're getting connection failed, or pairing unsuccessful prompt. Now whatever problem you're facing, in this single video we're gonna fix all of them for you. If your problem is the connection pop-up is not coming, just lock your phone for a while. At the same time, close the lid of your AirPods charging case. After a while, unlock your iPhone and open up the lid once again. If the pop-up is not coming, go check if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are turned on iPhone or not. If all of them are enabled, turn off Bluetooth and then turn on airplane mode for a while, just to refresh the network. After a while, turn off airplane mode and then turn Bluetooth back once again. If the pop-up is still not coming, now we're going to manually take our earbuds into pairing mode. But before that, take off both the earbuds and after a couple of seconds, put them back on again. And then double tap under the charging LED to take them into pairing mode once again. If the pop-up shows, just go ahead and connect them. Now, if your problem is if it says connection failed or pairing unsuccessful, just go ahead and give your iPhone a restart. Press and release the volume up and down button and then press and hold the side button till the screen goes black. After it restarts, try to connect your AirPods to your iPhone once again. If it's still not connecting, there might be some charging issues with your AirPods 4 that might be causing this issue. But before charging, we're going to take off both the buds, clean both the slots thoroughly with whatever tool is available to you. And at the same time, make sure to clean under the earbuds in these connectors, just to be sure that they are not accidentally disconnected from the charging case. After the cleaning, put them inside the case once again, and then just go ahead, plug it in, charge them for at least 5 to 10 minutes. If it's still not connecting, don't worry. Finally, what you can do is just reset your earbuds. Make sure both the buds are inside the case. Now close the lid for a couple of seconds and then just go ahead, open it up. Make sure the LED is on. Now double tap 3 times under the LED. With 3 beeps, it'll start blinking orange LED. And then in a few moments, it'll go into pairing mode with this flashing white LED. After the reset, you will no longer have any problem getting any pop-up and you'll be able to successfully connect your AirPods for ANC with your iPhone. Thanks for watching.